Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix can't turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. Let's get started. So first open your settings and tap your name at the top and select Find My and click Find My iPhone. Try toggling Find My iPhone off and you'll be asked to enter your Apple ID password and enter it and confirm. If the toggle is grayed out or ask for a password that you don't know, search for iforgot.apple.com and reset your Apple ID password. And also make sure your device has Wi Fi or cellular turned on so Apple can verify changes, then restart the iPhone and try again. If still you can't turn it off because the Apple ID is locked or the previous owner's Apple ID is on the device, gather proof of purchase and contact the Apple support and request for activation lock removal. Apple can remove it if you can prove the ownership. And that's it. You can reset your Apple ID password, ensure the device is online, or contact Apple with proof or purchase to remove activation lock. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.